Alright, y'all. Monte Carlo SS60 swap. Wire you see there, it's the O2 wideband still plugged up. We're gonna do this. I haven't started it at all today. See it? That's the wideband. From tuning it. Fired up for the first time. Ain't no gas in it. You see it says E. Ain't no gas in it. But she starts up so clean. So clean. G-Force cross member, 4L80E. We had to run some little dummies up front. We had some we had a blowout there on the flat tire blowout on the front. Summit sheet metal intake, offset bracket for the alternator. The dash, I think it's a 102 power steering pump pulley. LS1 water pump. Headers and ceramic. We got ceramic spark plug wires. We got some headers. They work perfect for the G body. HP tuners. I gotta tuck some wires back. I had to do some little searching on some stuff the other night. Well, and got a tune, dual fan radiator. Of course, you see the cold air intake, and factory ECM. She sounds so good. Put some petrol in it. Do a wipe down, or wipe everything down. Yeah, man. Like I said, I gotta do some. We're gonna put them back in the loom. Put that back in the loom, wire loom. A couple others gotta put back in the wire loom. Like I said, the ceramic spark plug wires with the boots, NGK spark plugs, 102mm throttle body. She look cold. She look cold. Yeah, she didn't like the dyno though. Well, the transmission didn't like the dyno. Transmission didn't like the dyno. But she made the power. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be honest, man. We was in second gear, made 300 horse. 300 horse in second gear. And that's with this setup right here. With this setup right here, we made 300 horse in second gear. The next pull was a 350 pull. Made a pull at 350. And I wanted to see if we can make, somewhere near 400, and that's where we had the problems. But yeah, man, she sounds so good. Sloppy stage 2, pack 12 springs, 799 heads, MLS head gaskets, B&M shifter cable with the bracketry, posi track out back by Roach. Yeah, man, she performs well. She performs well. Listen, listen. See the grass out here? Let me see. Let me get a visual of the grass. Grass about. We're about 8 foot out away from the car, 10 foot away from the car. She's barking. She's barking.